Good morning, students. Now I will explain you the last part of the lesson, that is my childhood, on page number 45 and 46. One day he invited me to his home for meal. Kalam was invited by his teacher. Shivasu Subramaniam Iyer invited Kalam for meal. What do you mean by meal? For food, for khana, to come home to my house to have food. Everybody is interested in going to have food in everybody's house. Even I would like, if you call me for a meal at your place. But now here in this lesson what has happened? When the science teacher, Mr. Iyer, Shivasu Subramaniam, invited Kalam for a meal to his house, his wife was horrified at the idea of a Muslim boy being invited to dine in a ritually pure kitchen. Now see, Mr. Iyer's wife was a Brahmin lady. She came to know that Iyer, her husband, has called this Muslim boy for a meal. His wife was horrified. She was scared, भयभीत हो गई कि that a Muslim boy is invited to dine in her ritually. Ritually means giving importance for the religious matter. She was giving importance for the religious matter. Being a Brahmin lady, she was not allowing any other child, any other person of different caste or any other religion to come into her kitchen. She refused to serve me in her kitchen. She refused to serve me means not me, not you. She refused to serve. Serve means what? To give food. Parosna, we say, no? She refused that I will not serve this Muslim boy in my ritually pure kitchen. It is religious kitchen. It is, I give importance to this kitchen that this is a Brahmin family kitchen. Only Brahmin family can attend this kitchen and not any other person. Shiv Subramaniam Iyer was not perturbed, means he was unsettled, he was not happy with the words of his wife, that she said, I will not serve this Muslim boy in my kitchen. Nor did he get angry with his wife. He was unsettled. वो नाराज था, but he was not angry with his wife, but instead served me with his own hands and sat down beside me to eat the meal. Though Subramaniam's wife did not serve the boy in her kitchen, she said, I will not serve him. I will not give him food in my kitchen because this is only for the ritually. This is only ritually pure kitchen. Ritually pure kitchen means only importance will be given for the religion matter. Only Brahmin children will be entertained here. Brahmin people will be entertained here. But Subramaniam, though unsettled, he was not happy, but he was not angry with his wife. Instead of that, he served Kalam with his own hands and sat down beside him to eat his meal. Meal means khana. His wife watched us from behind kitchen door, and the wife was watching everything from the behind kitchen door, means where the kitchen door is there. She was standing there, standing behind the kitchen door and watching what Iyer is doing, what her husband is doing. उसका पति क्या कर रहा है, वो किसको खाना खिला रहा है, whom he is serving. And she saw that कि her husband is sitting with this Muslim boy and eating food. I wondered whether she had observed any difference in the way I ate, drank water or cleaned the floor after meal. I wondered, मुझे ऐसा लगा, मैं देख रहा था, whether she was observing, वो देख रही थी यदि मैं कुछ मेरे खाने में, मैं जो चावल खा रहा था, मैं पानी पी रहा था, I was drinking water, I cleaned the food, cleaned the floor after my meal. खाना होने के बाद में जो कुछ नीचे झूठा गिरा था, मैं उसको समेट कर, cleaning that all, putting in my plate. Whether she was observing that, the difference. What is the difference between a Brahmin child eating food, drinking water, cleaning the floor? What is the difference between him and me? I was just looking what she is observing. What is the difference between me and the other religion person? When I was leaving his house, Shiv Subramaniam Iyer invited me to join him for the dinner again the next weekend. And when I was leaving the house, when I was going home, Subramaniam Iyer, what did he say? That you join for the dinner, शाम के खाने के लिए, afternoon lunch, morning breakfast, afternoon lunch and evening food is dinner. So he invited him for the evening dinner the next weekend. अगले हफ्ते में फिर तुम मेरे घर को खाने को आओ, ऐसा सुब्रमण्यम आयर ने उस कलम को बोला. Observing my hesitation, he told me not to get upset. और मैंने संकोच किया. Hesitation means I was upset that whether to come next week or not. Why? Because he saw his wife did not come near him. She did not serve him. She was standing behind the door and observing what is happening. So, observing my hesitation, hesitation means I was hesitating. I was not ready to come. Hesitation means संकोच. He told me not to get upset. उसने मुझे बताया कि नाराज मत होना. Don't be upset that my wife didn't serve you. She didn't come in front of you. She was observing from far. She didn't like that you should not eat in this kitchen. Saying, once you decide to change this system, उसने बोला कि ये सिस्टम चेंज होना चाहिए, जाति का भेद नहीं होना चाहिए. Anybody can come and dine in this kitchen. He meant to say, such problems have to be confronted. We have to face these problems. Confronted means सामना करना. Confronted means सामना करना. You have to face this. Whatever difficulty comes in front of you, you have to face it. When I visited his house next week, Subramaniam Iyer when I visited his house the next week, Subramaniam Iyer's wife took me inside. दूसरे हफ्ते में जब मैं उनके घर गया, कलाम कह रहे कि दूसरे हफ्ते में मैं जब उनके घर गया, उनके पत्नी ने, सुब्रमण्यम आयर के पत्नी ने, वाइफ टुक मी इनसाइड हर किचन, वो उस किचन में लेकर गई. किचन यू नो वेयर यू कुक फूड, वेयर फूड इज सर्व एट द टाइम ऑफ लंच, डिनर और ब्रेकफास्ट. सर्व्ड मी फूड विथ हर ओन हैंड्स. उसके खुद के हाथों से उसने मुझे खाना खिलाया. देन द सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर वॉज ओवर एंड इंडियाज़ फ्रीडम वॉज इमिनेंट. मीन्स सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉज ओवर दैट टाइम and India's freedom was imminent. means it was over. Indians will build their own India, declared गांधी जी. गांधी जी क्या बोले? भारत अपना खुद का देश बनाएंगे. Indians will build their own India. Indians will build their own India. खुद का इंडिया बनाएंगे. The whole country was filled with an unprecedented optimism. Unprecedented means what? Never done, which not known before. जो पहला नहीं हुआ था, जो पहला किसने नहीं सोचा था. Optimism means what? Brighter side of things. सब चीज़ें सीधी हो गई. जाति भेद का सब भाव निकल गया. I asked my father for permission to leave Rameshwaran. और Kalam asked his father that let me leave Rameshwaran and study at the district headquarter. जैसा तालुका होता है, district headquarter. District means at the जिला स्तर पर जाकर मुझे रामानंतपुरम में सीखने की परवानगी मिले. And he went from Rameshwaran to Ramananthapuram, the district headquarters, and he studied there. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. I hope you have understood the lesson.